Guys, you will never believe who I see. Hey VEEZY Fam! We are here at Palm Beach County, where are we? Some Reptile Expo. Let's not waste time, let's just get in there. Wait, you got Red Bull?
These are actually a Lamprophid snake, so different family. Basically, think of the Lamprophis as the non-venomous version of the Elapids.
Really?
Yep.
Looks
they actually
beautiful.
were in the same family originally.
Guys, you will never believe who I see. Oh my God, are you Paul Cafaro? I'm your biggest fan.
There's no way.
I have your bracelet on.
You watch my videos?
My mom does. What are you doing here,
You own
dude?
my old house, don't you?
Yes.
How's that going for you?
It's too small for me and my family. Might be for sale soon. If any of you up-and-coming YouTubers want Paul Cafaro
Trying to invest?
and the VEEZY Kids house,
What are we gonna call that?
the nostalgia.
TheVeezy. I bought a nice container.
You making a video here?
No, I just filmed some filler content. Anthony, what do you think of this? I haven't heard you say one word the entire time.
Hi.
Oh, he talked.
Got him! All right, guys, while we're walking around here, we're meeting everybody, and my boy Gio's here.
What is going on, everybody? How are y'all
Let
doing?
them know your channel so they can make sure to come and find you.
Make sure you guys go and check out Lonnie's Lizards for me. I've been posting some awesome reptile-based stuff. Also have one of the biggest rabbits in the world.
I saw a picture of it.
17 pounds, dude.
Bro, you saw, remember that rabbit? That was his.
It's literally like this big, dude. Lonnie's Lizards on Instagram as well, same thing. Make sure you guys give me a follow.
And make sure you jump in his comments and tell him he needs to come hang out at our farm. And I don't know, bring the rabbit by and we'll have it like wrestle our dog or something.
Whatever. Most definitely, I'm gonna have to go out there and check all his stuff out.
My brother,
Appreciate
man.
you, my boy.
Hey, I want that rabbit.
Yeah,
I'm gonna show you a picture of it right. What up, buddy?
Another day in paradise.
What'd you get?
I got some pizzas. No, I got lots of different plants. Got some nice clippings, some ferns, some bromeliads, some boega, all types of fun stuff.
So when can we come over again?
Are the kids gonna work?
Are you gonna work? It's mostly just him
Yeah,
now.
I mean, it was pretty much just him, yeah.
So it'll just be us.
Whenever you guys would like.
Open invite?
Open invite.
Because I want to see them foxes again. Yeah? 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 My brother, you leaving?
Maybe.
So Will Nace has a bunch of tanks he designed, and he put it over here at this booth, and they're for sale. Bro, Will Nace does some amazing work. Guys, so you see Paul is looking at getting all these reptile tanks. You don't have any reptiles,
If I
bro.
was to do this, I'd go half and half on it with my buddy Gio when we do geckos. Gio's got the intelligence and the education to teach people. He knows a lot of stuff.
What do you have?
I told you, the space.
So Paul has the space at his house. You have the knowledge and the animals. So Paul gets this, puts it at the house. You put all your stuff in there. Boom. Collabs every day.
At that point, dude, I'm moving in.
Think about it.
Wait.
I can make him a twin-size bedroom.
Anthony, how many is it? 36. 36. Can you fill it?
I'm probably sitting right now at 15 to 20.
Anthony, anything you want in here. We're gonna buy one thing. Anything you want, you get.
Pink belly side neck.
Pink belly side neck?
Yeah.
Paul, pink belly side neck?
Yeah.
Pink belly side neck for sure.
Guess we're getting a pink belly side neck, so let's go
Have
find
you
one.
ever seen the green belly side neck?
No, he's a green belly side neck. Put your neck to the side. So that's what you want? You want two pink belly side necks? All right, and then you're good?
Yeah.
All right, so we got some big news what we're gonna be doing with these turtles because we got a whole bunch of other turtles and we're gonna make a new housing for them. We got a new pump. Hey, thank you so much, man. This is what I'm left with. Guys, Gio said he could sex our turtles.
I'm gonna try to sex these turtles. Let me see this one. Hold that one.
He's failing at sexing the turtle.
Guys, follow Gio for more turtle sexing.
See, like this one has a little bit more of an indent though, I think.
So that would be,
the females are more thick, right?
Dude, I'm the wrong guy to ask for that. That's a Blake question.
Yeah, where's Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch when we need them, bro?
You can tell when they're a little larger.
I think they might need a little bit more growth, and then you'll be able to, oh my.
guys, we're gonna say one's a boy, one's a girl. Comment some names below. We'll just go with that. If one's a girl, it's fine. One of our turtles.
Sex a fish.
I'm sure you can. You guys know our friends over at Wild Cargo. We're gonna go right behind Aaron and rub on his shoulders. What's up, buddy?
What's happening, man?
I wanted to make sure I got you on film.
I'm here.
So you guys know our people from Wild Cargo, and if not, link below. All right, guys, so we're getting out of here now. We're gonna go back to the house, and I think we're gonna put the turtles somewhere for a couple days, and then we're gonna be building a new turtle pond with a new filter. We might even do some DIY garbage can filter. I don't know. As of right now, we're just gonna put them somewhere, maybe in some water or something. I mean, they're super small. We got like 10 other ones we're gonna put them with. We'll see what we can do when we get home.
Yeah, I don't cry no more. I don't look to the sky no more, 'cause I got it all in.
We are at Publix because we needed to get some stuff. We're doing like a short every week called Anthony Eats. He tries the nastiest food. I think the only one we did so far was horseradish, and he
Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him.
He didn't like it, but he ate it, he tried it. So we're gonna do a thing called Anthony Eats. We're gonna do a short once a week. We're going in here to stock up on some nasty foods that he's gonna eat. But if you guys got some food you want him to try, let me know. Look at that dog. Aww. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, put your post notifications on, so even when we post shorts, you'll get notified and you can see Anthony Eats. And he's gonna be eating something different every week. And he might, yeah, bro, this is gonna be your aisle for a little bit. Fish steaks, sardines. Wait, hold on. Flat fillets of anchovies. What is that?
I don't know.
I don't know, we should get it.
Are they anchovies?
I think so. Clam juice.
Oh.
Wild sardines. Where's the one in the mustard?
Yeah.
Oh, fish steaks and hot sauce. Yeah, you're gonna try that. And then I wanna get one thing in mustard. I remember you had it that one time on that one video, right here. And he crushed Paul Cafaro in an eating contest because Paul's super picky. We need to find the one
Is that
with...
the right thing?
No, those are just regular anchovies. Mustard. Sardine fillets in mustard sauce. And it's open, so they probably stuck something else in here. We're just gonna surprise you. All right, let's get that stuff. That's like 4 weeks. We're gonna do one a week. Make sure you watch these shorts because this dude's gonna throw up for you guys.
4 weeks.
That's 4 weeks?
I've described 2 anyways.
What are they?
I don't even know.
We're gonna eat them. So we made it back home, but I wanted to show you guys what we might do. How about this? 1,000 likes on this video, and we're gonna take this, right? Why are there llamas on this side? They might have got out. Anyway, 1,000 likes, and we're gonna take this 100-gallon, and we're gonna convert that into a turtle house. And we're gonna put all the turtles. Honestly, we got like, I don't know, like 10 different turtles. We don't really show them too much because I didn't like their house and they were just all over the place. But now we're gonna actually get one spot. We're gonna put them all in here. And then what we might do is we might make one of those do-it-yourself filters out of like a garbage can. I don't know, I was watching Dan the Turtle Man, good friend of ours, and he was showing me like different ways to do it. We can make a filter out of this, like a garbage can right here, and it dumps the water in and it just keeps circulating it in the media, and then we can put all the turtles and we could put some kind of bricks and stuff in there. And why are you eating your tablet, bro? All right, guys, so just for now, temporary, because as you see, we got a lot going on in here. We're having a party, but I want to get these turtles out of there, so we're going to put them in here, and we're going to change it in a couple hours. But I just wanted to show you guys when we took them out.
I'll put them right here.
Perfect. So we got him, and now bring the other one out. Or will he bite your finger? Let's see. It won't hurt.
Jeez, he bit
All right, put him in there.
just like that.
So we got 2 pink belly side necks, but you know what we don't have? Names. Comment the names below, and the most liked commented names is what we're gonna be going with. Like I said, 1,000 likes and we're gonna build a huge tank with filters and bubblers and warmers and all that for these guys. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. And until the next one,